everyone, it's Deb and I am back with another unboxing for Kitaholic Kits May kits. So let's jump right into it. So I'm going to start with the mixed media kit because I was very excited to get this or to see this in reveal. So we got a Katie mixed media stencil and that is really cool actually. I really like those little bumps, and I think there's always, yep, there we go, an example of the use of the stencil. So there's that, and let's see, it's Sunstone stencil, that one. Then we got the Vicky Bouton watercolor set, so I'm going to open this up and we'll have a look. Okay, so I just took the plastic off it, and that's the little sleeve that went over it. So it looks like, yep, it just slides out and they're just little tubes of watercolor paint. They are so cute. So there is 18 of them in there. Create colourful works of art with this watercolor set used for paper, DIY and mixed media projects. So very cool. That's very exciting. Okay, so that, if I can get this back in, is the mixed media kit for May. So onto the embellishment kit, and we got a roller stamp from the I Am Collection Simple Stories, and it has got a whole bunch of phrases. I am amazing, so very blessed, enough, I don't even know if you can see that. My own beautiful, so happy, simply me, loved and adored, dreaming big, strong, grateful, and important. So that's pretty cool. Love my roller stamps. From the I Am collection as well, we got the sticker sheets. So you get 8 4x6 sticker sheets. And that's a look at them on the back. Lots of tiny words. Really, really cool. I really love this tassel banner thing here. Really cool colors, really love this. I do believe that the I Am collection from Simple Stories features heavily in the kits this month. We also got some pink fresh puffy heart stickers. I'm sorry if it's a little bit shadowy in here. It's just gone overcast, so it does affect the lighting in here. So lots of puppy hearts, 182 of them actually, so enough hearts to keep your heart happy. So that's cool. And then we get, this is so exciting, I miss my little baggies of stuff. We got a little baggie of resin flowers and tassels by the looks of it. Oh my goodness, I've already got a project in mind and this is just going to be so perfect for it. So love that this little baggie of embellishments came this month. So that is the embellishment kit for May. Okay, so the pocket page kit, we got our acrylic month word, which was of course May from Corbett Creations. The acrylic word comes every month in the pocket page kit. We got some enamel dots. We also got, these are really cool, pink fresh puffy alpha stickers, light blue, 154 pieces, and these are the perfect size for your pocket pages. So, and I absolutely love that color. I don't know if it's gonna show up. So we got that. And then we got, let's see, what are we going to do next? We'll do these ones. The papers. Now, this is really cool because these papers, they are, I believe, 8 by 6. So you can get 2 4x6 cards out of one sheet of paper, and they're double-sided, so bonus there. So I'm just going to flip through them. Beautiful watercolor there. Stand frame. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that pattern too. Let's see if I can get it a bit closer. Oh, that's pretty as well. So these, oh my goodness, I love that one. These come so you can cut them up and, oh my goodness, cut them up and make your own project life cards. And up on the Kitaholic Kits channel, I do have a process video of DIY project life cards, and I will link that below. That's pretty as well. So pretty. Oh my god, I love these floral pieces of paper. They're so pretty. On the scripty one. Oh, that one's pretty too. Ah, that one's just too pretty to cut. That is pretty cool. So we also got 12 by 12, and this one is called 4 by 6 horizontal elements. And this has got foiling on it. If my camera will pick it up in the light. It's got spots of foiling on it, and it is double-sided too, so you got that spotty print on the back. And this one is the 3 by 4 element, and again it's got the foiling on it on certain little bits and pieces, so lots of 3 by 4s to cut up there. And the back side is a floral print. Then we got the I Am combo cardstock stickers, so lots of icons, lots of words, banners, I was going to say banner, borders. So cute, so pretty. I love it. So that is that. And then we got the exclusive die cuts. So they have been packaged up this month. That we used to get them in the little white baggies. So with the pocket page kit you get the labels, and you also get the die cuts. So I'm not going to take them out, but there is a lot in there. There's like flowers and words and banners, and of course lots of labels in that one. So really exciting. So that is the pocket page kit for May. Okay, the main kit. Where do we start? So we got three doilies, sorry. We got 3 doilies. Very cool. Never seen that style before. Love my doilies. We got, these are Charms Creations, and it's an Aussie business, and I believe she hand makes all these little embellishments, which are so cool. Lots of layers there. Very pretty. We got Corbett Creations wood veneers and acrylics. So we got, scissors. That's good for National Scrapbooking Day. Words, a camera, acrylic flowers, wood veneer hearts. So lots of little things to embellish your page. We got a baggie of sequins. Love my sequins. So there's hearts in there, and there's all different colors, so that's really cool. Okay, we got Simple Stories Bliss bits and pieces. So, and it's just like a die cut ephemera pack, and that's a look on the back of that. And 48 cardstock die cut ephemera bits and pieces. We also got Pink Fresh Puffy Alpha stickers. It's from the Case of the Blahs, and there's 122 pieces in there. It's like a scripty font. Can't get my words out. In black. We get the exclusive die cuts. So there's arrows, butterflies, labels, words, lots of different things in there. There's flowers and leaves and hearts, lots and lots of different things to go onto your page, if I can get that back down. So there's that. Then we get into the papers. So we got, these are all from the I Am collection, Simple Stories. So this one is called Simply Me, and it's a pretty floral with a script on the back. Oh, this one's nice. Staying Positive. It's a lovely floral with a pattern. I don't even know if my camera will pick up some of these patterns on the back. Another floral, and this one is called Making It Happen. That is so pretty. And then you got the back side of that one. Or actually, that's the front side and that's the B side. This one is Living Vibrantly, and it's that watercolor one. A ledger on the back. Bold and Beautiful. Lots of florals. I love it. And a lined one on the back. This one is Focusing on the Good, and there's a lot of words there, and my light will catch it. Some of the words are foiled. So, and you got the cameras on the back. You could fussy cut some of them cameras out. Oh my goodness. Choosing Happiness. Oh, this one is pretty. Lots of butterflies, and again, there's touches of foiling on the butterflies. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. And on the back is a pink stripe. So that is the main kit for May. Okay, so I did get a few shop items, not many. I got the Simple Stories I Am snap cards, and you get 48 pieces. So there's 8 4x6, 16 3x4, 8 4x4, and 16 2x2 double-sided cards. So I got that to go into my pocket pages, and I can see that some of them are a smaller print of that, of the bigger ones that were on the papers. So I got that, and I also got 2 sheets. This one is called Fussy Cuts from the Wild at Heart collection. I got 2 of them to finish up my pocket pages from last year when we got this collection. So I got them, and that was it. That's all I got from the shop this month. And now for the giveaway. So you could get a pack of exclusive die cuts from Kitaholic Kits. All you have to do is follow the link below to the Kitaholic Kits community Facebook page and like their page. Then you have to come back here and leave a comment below this video so I know that you've gone over and liked their Facebook page. And a comment could be anything. You could just say thanks, or something that stood out to you that was your favorite in the kits this month. Anything, just pop a comment below after you've gone and liked their Facebook page, and you could be in the running to receive a exclusive pack of die cards. I'm lost for words. I will draw a winner, let's say, what's today, Tuesday? Friday. I'll give till Friday. Friday, 5 o'clock Australian Eastern Standard Time, and I will just draw the winner by random org. So open internationally. Yeah, and I think that's it. So I am going to go. I will leave links below to Kitaholic Kits and also to the Facebook page where you can like their page and then come back and win a pack of exclusive die cuts. My goodness, my words today. And don't forget, we're having the design team takeover on the Kitaholic Kits. What's it? Oh God. Fan page. Fan page, that's it. The Kitaholic Kits fan page, we've got an event going. It's the NSD Design Team Takeover. Lots of games, challenges, prizes, and just lots of fun. So make sure you check that out. I will leave a link for that below too. That will be happening Saturday, National Scrapbook Day. And I guess that's it for me. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.